Verifying your identity on Instacart is an important step to ensure a secure shopping experience. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an Instacart account. Begin by downloading the Instacart app or visiting the Instacart website. Sign up for a new account by providing your email address, creating a password, and entering any required personal information. Step 2. Access account settings. Before starting recovery, use the Instacart.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide required information. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for identity verification. This may include your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Step 4. Upload identification. You may be asked to upload a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure that the image is clear and all details are legible to avoid delays in the verification process. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your information and identification, wait for Instacart to review your submission. You will receive a notification via email or an app message once your identity has been successfully verified. Completing these steps will help you verify your identity on Instacart, allowing you to shop with confidence. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Instacart's customer support for assistance.